Hi everyone, continuing with my series for healing, esoteric, mantras chanting and sound healing. So today I will be playing series of instruments. One is a shamanic drum, the other one is a sound bowl. I also have on at my back one of the African instrument. Don't know the name, but this very nice guy from an African drum store in Toronto. He told me how to play this, and he taught me basically. So apparently this instrument women play in West Africa. I think West of Africa. So one of the places is Ghana. Don't quote me, I might be wrong, but that's okay. So it's made of certain seeds. It looks like that and it sounds like that. So you can do certain rhythm, or you can just do whatever the music plays. So it's incredibly good for your coordination. You can also switch hands and do your left one. So just start like that and do your rhythm. I find I need to tune, so it takes like 5-10 minutes to get into the tune. So remember that this is a new instrument for me, so my body, my brain, my hands still get used to that. Now I want to I want you to get introduced to my shamanic drum. Although I don't consume animals for food, I also don't wear animals. This drum apparently was made in Africa. And yes, it is made of some type of, I think either gazelle or whatever, some type of animal skin. Now, can I contribute to animal abuse? Yes and no. It's a very philosophical topic because if I'm not going to buy this drum, will they stop hunting for those animals? No. At the same time, with the certain vibration, I can do a healing of people's heart and souls, and at the same time I will remember this animal, whoever gave his or her skin to become this part of the instrument. And remember, the spirit and the soul is eternal, so no matter what, we keep coming back in a different shape and form and what's not. Okay, anyway, let's get to music. Okay, so it will be my one of the first times to play it in front of the camera, so I will take my time, and you can continue listening or you don't have to, but as long as you enjoy even for a couple of minutes. Okay, so let's do it. Ooh. you're supposed to be, send you on the right path, on the right road, where it leads to eternal spiritual growth, where it leads to love, where it leads to opening your aura and opening your heart chakras for the eternal love and understanding of this world, and more and more and more. Okay, so that was the shamanic drum. I believe you like that one. Now we're gonna move on to a sound bowl. So the sound bowl is obviously commercial made, is not made by hands like those Tibetan singing bowls, which I also have. They're made of copper and brass. They actually made by hand, so each of them individually tuned, and they have quite a nice sound. So this bowl, it's a sound biofrequency B, as Bob, and it's supposed to be for your crown chakra. However, you can imagine as the sound passing through your top chakra from your Sahasrara, travels down your spinal column, just like an elevator goes down each vertebra, okay? Travel and feeds and basically enlightened with its sound and clear all your channels, go all the way down to your tailbone and deviates into your legs and go down into the ground. When you hear sound like that, it's good to be either in a standing position so that you're gonna be grounded, and it goes down into the lava, into the center of the earth. And again, inhale, with inhale, allow the sound go here through the spinal column and down through your feet. This not only will ground you, but it's also might lower your blood pressure. If you have a high blood pressure, it will also calms you down, and it's good technique. While you visualize an energy goes down, incorporate with the breathing and with the sound. So then everything, like all that together, will work as a healing and as a as a soothing. Okay, so let's hear the sound. That a lot. The next one, I will stand up and I will play for a few seconds to a minute. It's a pyramid, it's a crystal pyramid. I'm gonna spin it and play and hit it with this little stick, so the frequency will resonate everywhere. Just listen to that and imagine you observe all those little particles of the sound. Okay, let's do it. So that was it for today. Namaskar, Namaste, Om Shanti, Satnam, maybe peace, love, and all the blessings of the entire universe be with you. I'm breathing you love. I'm breathing you health. I'm breathing you all the blessings you deserve. And I'm breathing you prosperity from all the four corners. Be love and expel love. Be blessing, expel blessing. Be happy and expel happiness. Om Shanti. Enjoy and come back for the next healing session. Thank you for watching me and see you in my next video.